fish. Manje, manje. Manje, yo. It might be striper.
No, it's not. Hey, I got stripers on my jig head. Yeah, that's what I did too.
Oh, dang, it's running.
Now it's a striper, man.
It's salmon. Could be salmon. Oh, shit, it's running.
Stripers don't run like that.
Salmon does. Look at this guy. Salmon. Could be salmon.
Whatever it is, it's a big fish on 4-pound test line.
4-pound test, huh?
4-pound test line, brother.
Take your time.
Oh, Jesus. I went over here.
This is salmon.
Oh, baby. Dude,
Take your time. Take your time.
you got a net?
Nope.
Don't get away from this fish, Tony. Oh, it's a big one. Whatever it is. Holy shit. Oh, it's scary, man.
Take your time.
Wow. What is it? It's not a shad.
That's not a shad. That's not a shad.
I don't think it's a shad. Shad don't run like that.
Shad don't run.
Tony, brother, what is this? Oh,
I bet it's salmon.
salmon?
Yeah.
But my jig head's not gonna hold up though. It's on that victory, you know, that really light wire hook.
Yeah, you gotta take your time. That's why.
Oh, if I hit the salmon, I'll be a wreck. It's a big, whatever it is.
It's gotta be salmon.
It's a big mama.
That look funny.
Oh my God, he's coming in now. Here it comes. Oh, it's a big old shad.
Is it?
It's a shad. It's huge.
All right, bring in.
Ready? It's huge. Whoa. Oh shit, I snapped. Oh.
It's not huge.
Oh shit, got caught on the sinker. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, here it goes. Oh, it's a big old shad, all right? Oh. It's a shad. But
Damn. What, 25 inch?
yeah, look at this guy.
Yeah, it's a big ass one.
Nice looking healthy one.
Okay, one more video. Right here, guys. There you have it. Phenomenal jig head, baby. All the way. Thank you, brothers. Thank you.
There you go. Got another salmon. Another salmon on the line. Come on, Mr. Multitask.
Here we go. This on. Phenomenal jig heads on the new color.
Oh, you see fish over there?
Oh, this is a good one. On a size 6 hook, Mustang, brand new 2022 hook. So check it out. Something new and just for a little shad action, using nothing but the finest shad darts, jig heads, created by you know who, that phenomenal guy, you know. But here it is. Let's see if I can bring this fish in. He's way out there. We got one out there. There's one right there. So beautiful sun starting to set. Hopefully I get a good set on him. It's on a size 6 mustad. Still fighting. Still on there.
Feel like you're fighting a sturgeon.
Look at that. Tug is the drug, baby. Tug is the drug. Tug is the drug right there. There you see it. Oh, there you go.
Big one. No.
Full sunset. Oh, it's a nice one.
Are you leaving? Just leaving? Trying to keep the hot spot?
Trying to take your spots like this. It's not the fisherman, man. I mean, it's not the jig, it's the fisherman.
You're funny like it. Be funny, like mailman, this guy.
I'm on this guy. Thank you, I appreciate it. Well, oh, look at that. Wow, that's a beautiful. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's a big one. Holy oh, shit, look at the size of this guy.
That is hella big.
Holy Jesus. Oh, wow.
Oh my god, bigger than my
That is
nuts.
oh, dude.
That thing is massive, look.
Whoa.
That's a
Look at this
massive
guy.
one.
Holy phenomenal jigger, baby. Right there.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh shit! It's phone.
Yo, it's like a sport for you.
All that and you lost a video?
I hope it stops recording. I hope it stops recording. Fuck.
Hey, get more viewers like that.
Oh shit.
That's bloopers possible.
No, man, that's a big old shot, John. It's waterproof though, it's alright.
That's 100 viewers right there.
Holy shit. Let me see if I record it. I hope I did.
I'm sure it's in that spot.
I hope so. Come on, baby. Yes. 4 minutes and 32 seconds of it. Woo! That is a big one.
That is pretty big, though. Damn.
Oh, damn. All right, I better put my phone away because it just took a little. It's gonna hit my baby, man.
No, thank you.
You gotta take a picture and send it to me now.
Oh, my jig head is stuck.
Oh, small ass. Oh, you could've
No, no, it's all right.
That's a small. Oh, that's good for. Hey, that's good for. That's good for shark bait.
Hold on. Ready? All right, just met this guy. What I use, so I get him a dart. Phenomenal one. And look what he did.
no cast. No cast.
Third cast?
No cast. I
Third
got one
cast.
already.
That shit is phenomenal.
Shit works.
That's pretty good size.
Oh, yeah, brother. Again? Oh, shit. Phenomenal jig, Charlie.
Let's go, Phil.
I'm coming, man. I'm gonna keep it with you until I run out of memories.
Phenomenal. I'll let it run for you.
Is it too little?
It's pretty small though.
Yeah, let it go. Dude, you got the spot.
It'll fit.
You can, if it's little, let it go. Hey.
Yeah.
No, just keep it, Mel. Keep it. Keep. No, I don't want it. You keep it. You keep it. No, you take it.
Phenomenal jig here, guys.
Yeah, here, do it again. Ready? Here, say it one more time. Ready? There you
It's
go.
phenomenal.
This guy just bought a
Oh shit, and it comes up by itself.
Yeah, self-release, man. Look at that.
Guys, it works, guys.
Good job, man.
I bought like 3 dozens already.
Oh, geez, thanks, man. Oh my God, dude. I don't know, man. I don't know who's more excited, the seller or the buyer.
The buyer, man.
You know, like the buyer.
Phenomenal.
Gee. Hey, by the way, you guys, I made a lot of sales like this, by the way. Like,
This is a record for
holy shit! Again? You missed it?
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, man, this guy is really Hey, didn't I say they work at night? Or
I'm a jig head. I got my regular lead there.
I don't know, it's the dart, it's the person using the dart.
Oh, phenomenal!
Oh, no!
Hell yeah.
Let's go, Sal! Let me record on your phone.
Oh, shit, that was a good set, man. That thing set on Sacramento.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, he got the grand keeper. Yeah, he set that thing like it was the end of the world. No, that thing went and it's only 10 inches. Oh, that was a good set, though. I like the set, man. You should record the set by Clunk.
Gotta get a GoPro now, Phil. I am no bear.
Wow, you guys did good, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Good night, good night.
Oh, man,
Good night.
great
Look at
day,
this.
man. I think that will boost up my sales.
If I can catch, anyone can catch, dog.
Is he normally like that? Does he always got
Yeah, man.
serious? Not after using phenomenal jig heads?
Well, I should advertise that for you.
Hell yeah.
Come on, guys.